So finally, DJI itself has confirmed the release date of the Osmo Pocket 4P camera, and it's coming on the 14th of May. The latest post from DJI Global has confirmed that the launch event will take place in Cannes, France. Previously, DJI uploaded a teaser showcasing the new 1-inch camera along with the 3x telephoto lens, promising a grand release. So, what other features make the Pocket 4P a worthy upgrade and a better choice compared to the regular Pocket 4? Let's find out. The Osmo Pocket series has been revolutionizing solo filmmaking for years now, and the latest Pocket 4P is designed to support both professional and enthusiast creators. I mean, who would have thought you could get a gimbalized dual camera system in a pocket-sized camera? Not only does the new telephoto lens allow for optical zooming without compromising quality, but it also offers a more natural bokeh effect. Now, if you want a full unboxing and review video of the Pocket 4P, check out our other video where we have discussed in depth about features and showed sample footage. This video, however, will be more like a specs breakdown. The main camera is expected to feature a 1-inch OmniVision 50-megapixel sensor, which is expected to shoot up to 6K videos at 60 frames per second. Most importantly, it could potentially deliver up to 17 stops of dynamic range, allowing detailed captures in challenging lighting conditions. Now, the nearest competition, Luna Ultra, can shoot up to 8K resolution, so DJI is a little behind here if resolution matters more to you. However, the Pocket 4P will support a 10-bit D-Log 2 curve for precise color grading, offering more freedom in post-production. DJI's latest tracking technology, ActiveTrack 7.0, is also expected to feature on the Pocket 4P, potentially improving subject tracking for vloggers, filmmakers, and event videographers. Even when you shoot landscapes or low-light shots, the Osmo Pocket 4P offers better dynamic range and less noise compared to its predecessor. More importantly, with the Pocket 3 or Pocket 4, you can digitally zoom into objects 2 times when you use lossless zooming. On the other hand, the Pocket 4P not only allows you to optically zoom 3 times, but you can clearly see the difference between optical and digital zoom. Moreover, you can double the zoom on Pocket 4P and shift 6 times closer to objects. And the best part, you will still be able to track objects, unlike the Pocket 3, which won't let you track objects while mid-range zooming. The Osmo Pocket 4P is expected to be priced at $730, positioning it as a premium option in the compact camera gimbal market, and it's just a matter of time before you get the camera in your hands. With such powerful performance at such a compact size, DJI has once again proved its dominance in the handheld camera industry. What are your thoughts about the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4P?